stop it when the wheels come. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. You can turn this go-kart into a hoverboard in 2 minutes. ये देखो. How are you?
My, look at this. Beautiful.
Okay guys, this right here is the 9-board go-kart kit and it is very cool. So this is an EV kart primarily and it goes. Whee! Reverse भी है ये देखो. थोड़ा slow है reverse but it's okay. Uncle! Happy New Year! Actually जा सकता है ये देखो. हाँ चढ़ेगा क्या नहीं चढ़ेगा थोड़ा खिसकेगा yes so this is the place that I have been eating tandoori chicken all my life that is Kuti uncle आज कब मिलेगा मुझे awesome tandoori chicken evening afternoon no not ready okay uncle thank you bye शाम को आऊंगी मैं tandoori chicken Madho is the man he's like the best cook in the world Madho what's up No, it's not a gift. It's an EV kart, and I'm doing a review on it. See you. Arey seat belt, I didn't wear only. I'm in the society only, na, so it doesn't matter. Bye. See, I mean, I have been able to bring this cart all the way up to the tandoor. How awesome is that? Yes, bye. जहाँ आपकी स्कूटर नहीं जा सकती वहाँ पे मेरा कार जा सकता है वाह 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 ये कार्ट की बहुत अनोखी बात है ये जो मेरा टीवी रिमोट है ना इसकी बैटरी से मैं ये कार्ट चला सकती हूँ ये रहा इसमें दूसरी बैटरीज ऑलरेडी हैं तो मैंने इससे निकाल दी हैं एंड इन इट गोज Okay, so I'm going to quickly take you through the features of this 9-board kart, go-kart kit rather. So what's really cool is that both of these tires, you will never have to inflate them. You will never have to fill air in them because they are non-inflatable tires. Also, how futuristic are those wheels? I love this little tint of silver purple that's going on over here. You can increase or decrease the length of the cart as per your height. Pretty cool, no? So the cart basically connects to your phone and has all the information on there, but it gives you 3 driving modes. Safe mode, new rider mode and sports mode. Let's go into sports mode now. Aha! This gives you 15 kilometers range in one charge. And of course, it fits in my awesome Zen, so I love it. Dude, it's got a handbrake, man. I want to try drifting with this thing. How are you?
My, look at this. Beautiful.
It's an EV kart. And it turns into a Segway when you want it to.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You're going to be in my video, by the way.
Okay.
All good, uncle. Happy New Year. Take care. Say hi to auntie for us. Thank you. Bye. Hoverboard is not a perfect way to go about driving this kart because it's meant more for smooth surfaces and grass and all of that. Okay, so this is where my parents live in Pune, and the society is huge. It's got 3 phases. So whenever my mother wants me now to go shopping for vegetables because a departmental store is at the end of the society, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to take the cart and I'm going to go because A, it's fun, and B, why not? It's so fun. Look at that stuff, dude. Sports mode and क्या बात. Hi doggy, what's up? ये कहाँ मिलता है? ऑनलाइन मिल जाता है अंकल. हाँ. 9 bot.
Yeah, bye. Thank you. No problem.
The best part about this cart is that you don't need it to open. खोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. वैसे नीचे चले जाओ. Perfect. मिडाला. This goes pretty freaking fast for an EV kart. And we're in sports mode now, but gun in it. Its top speed is about 25 kilometers an hour, and इसका range है like a sports mode में, of course it's going to go down a lot faster, but the range in your normal mode will be somewhere around 15 kilometers, which is pretty cool. Now, I mean, apart from go-karting per se, I think this is an excellent, forget excellent, it's a really fun way to get around. Like, मेरी जो society है, it's about 2 kilometers long. I'm really bad at understanding kilometers per se, but it's a really fun way to go from point A to point B. So like that is the first end of my society right there, and yeah, and it's got a lot of speed bumps, but अच्छी तरह जाती है speed bumps पे. And yeah, I'm back home with the onions for my mother. Now, apart from all the things that I told you about this particular 9-bot cart, what's the coolest feature about this is that you can convert the cart into an actual hoverboard. Let me show you. You've just disconnected this, then you pick this whole thing up, you tilt this a bit. There's your hoverboard. And here we are. It is now converted into a Segway, hoverboard, whatever you want to call it. वो नहीं है, तो you can't really call it a Segway, but ooh, not bad. For the first time, not killing, but not bad. Ah! Oh shit! Khadde no! I'm so bad at this. Woo! Chal. I am hovering. Hello, auntie. Kaise ho? This is like a core workout, dude. When you're on a straight surface, it's awesome. But the minute Ubad-Khabad comes, it's not happy. And there's the cart, guys. We have taken that out from there. उसके जो rear wheels हैं, हमने निकाल के उसको ये बना दिया है. Okay guys, so the cost of this whole thing, that is this Segway as well as this go-kart kit, is 136. Yeah, I mean it's so fun. I know it's not something you can drive on the roads, but it's just a really fun way to get about, in my opinion. Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. Is this our first video of 2023? I'm not sure, but this is the first thing we shot in 2023. So I hope you like what we've done with this video. Do like, subscribe and share, and let's get to 400k already, man. तुम लोग बहुत टाइम लगा रहे हो इसमें. Bye.